Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to me, kindly click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. Ṣàngó Olúkòso, Akata Yeri, Arabambi Okoya. In this video, I will be sharing with you what you need to know about Ṣàngó. Ṣàngó, the Orisha of thunder, fire, and lightning. Ṣàngó is one of the most worshipped Orishas in the Yoruba religion. Ṣàngó is a royal ancestor of the Yoruba people, as he was the third Aláàfin, that is, the third king of the Ọ̀yọ́ kingdom, after the reign of Ọ̀rànmíyàn and Àjàká. Thus, Ọ̀yọ́ kingdom is at the present Ọ̀yọ́ state of the southwestern part of Nigeria. He is considered to be one of the most powerful kings ever in the Yoruba land. Ṣàngó is known for his double-headed axe, which represents quick and balanced justice. In the history of Ọ̀yọ́ Empire, Ṣàngó performed remarkably as he successfully fought and won many battles to defend Yoruba land, and therefore brought prosperity to the empire of Ọ̀yọ́. During his lifetime, he had 3 wives, namely Ọ̀ṣun, Ọba, and Ọya. Ṣàngó is viewed as the most powerful among Orishas. He could cast out a thunderstone known as Ẹ̀dùn Àrá in Yoruba language, which creates thunder and lightning. This is why Ṣàngó is praised as he who has fire-emitting mouth and the one who has fire-emitting eyes. In the Yoruba religion, we say Ṣàngó Ọ̀kọ̀ọ̀yà Olójú-orógbó Ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kẹ́ Òbíò, meaning, "Oh Ṣàngó, the one with the eyes like a bitter kola, the one with a cheek like kola nut." As I said earlier, that Ṣàngó had 3 wives. However, as it is told from the oral tradition, Ṣàngó initially had 2 wives, who were Ọ̀ṣun and Ọba, before he married Ọya. There used to be a lot of competitions among the 3 wives concerning who Ṣàngó should love most. But Ọya was the one who got the huge affection of Ṣàngó, because Ọya had some qualities the rest of the wives didn't have. However, Ọya became Ṣàngó's favorite due to her good quality and her power as well. Therefore, they both became a strong force. Shango did not die, rather, he disappeared into the air out of anger caused as a result of the fact that Oya pleaded with him to submit his Edo-Ara to her to keep it for him in order to reduce the frequency of the usage in casting thunder, fire, and lightning, and equally advised Shango to get rid of his two powerful war generals who were Timi Olofaina and Gbonka, because they both refused his order not to wage a war against Owu. As a result of this, Shango sent both of them to the neighboring towns of Oyo Empire. Timi went to Ede, while Gbonka stayed in Oyo. However, Gbonka later confronted Shango in a fight, challenging him to retire from the throne of Oyo Kingdom. This confrontation got Shango very angry. Then, out of anger, he called upon Oya to return his Edo-Ara. Behold, after getting the Edo-Ara from Oya, he realized that it was wet and stained with menstrual blood. Due to this, the power of the Edo-Ara to cast fire was gone. So, in order to refortify it, he had to rush to a nearby hilltop. So while performing the ritual rites to bring back the power of the Edo-Ara, suddenly, this Edo-Ara casted out thunder and fire in the process, and the fire struck his palace and burnt it down. This led Shango to disappear into the air out of anger. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. Until we see again, get a better life.